What actually happens inside your cellular matrix when you stop consuming any food for exactly 36 hours? Most people believe fasting is just about calorie restriction, but the reality is a profound molecular transformation. Today, we deconstruct the precise physiological timeline of a 36-hour fast, and how to execute it safely. Under normal conditions, your body relies on exogenous glucose from your last meal to power basic cellular function. This steady stream of dietary carbohydrates keeps your insulin levels elevated, suppressing key cellular rejuvenation pathways. When you eat every few hours, your cells remain in a constant state of growth, completely ignoring repair. This chronic state of metabolic abundance eventually leads to systemic inflammation, mitochondrial decay, and accelerated biological aging. To trigger deep cellular renewal, we must intentionally initiate a controlled energy crisis within the body. This crisis begins the moment you enter the fasting window, initiating a highly orchestrated survival sequence. At 6 hours of fasting, your digestive tract has finally finished absorbing nutrients from your last meal. Your bloodstream's glucose levels begin to steadily decline, prompting your pancreas to reduce insulin secretion. To maintain stable blood sugar, your liver begins mobilizing stored glucose, known biochemically as glycogen. You might feel a psychological urge to eat, driven by the hunger hormone ghrelin peaking in your system. This is not physical starvation, it is merely a neurological habit loop responding to empty gastric volume. By 12 hours, your liver's glycogen reserves are depleted by more than 80%. With glucose virtually unavailable, your pancreas releases glucagon to signal the breakdown of stored adipose tissue. To protect your structural skeletal muscle from degradation, the pituitary gland surges growth hormone production. This crucial endocrine shift ensures that your body burns fat for fuel while preserving valuable lean mass. Free fatty acids are transported to your liver, where they are converted into energy-dense molecules called ketones. Ketones cross the blood-brain barrier, providing a highly efficient, clean-burning fuel source for your neurons. You will notice your brain fog lift, replaced by a deep, calm focus and heightened cognitive clarity. This mental sharpness is an evolutionary adaptation designed to help hungry ancestors locate food with high efficiency. At 20 hours, insulin levels reach their lowest baseline, and a process called autophagy dramatically accelerates. Autophagy, meaning self-feeding, is your cell's internal recycling program, clearing out dysfunctional components. Your cells begin engulfing damaged mitochondria, misfolded proteins, and intracellular pathogens, breaking them down into amino acids. This molecular cleanup is essential for preventing neurodegenerative diseases and maintaining youthful, efficient cellular performance. Simultaneously, AMP-activated protein kinase, or AMPK, is highly active, switching your metabolism into deep fat burning. AMPK activation also stimulates mitochondrial biogenesis, meaning your cells are actively building new, healthier power plants. You are now in a state of high metabolic flexibility, seamlessly switching between different fuel sources. As you pass 24 hours, systemic inflammation markers like C-reactive protein drop significantly. Your gut lining begins to regenerate, as the absence of food allows epithelial cells to repair their barriers. Sirtuin proteins, which regulate cellular health and DNA repair, are activated in response to low nutrient availability. These longevity genes act as microscopic guardians, stabilizing your genome and preventing harmful age-related DNA damage. Your body's immune system also undergoes a major reset, clearing out old, senescent white blood cells. Reaching 36 hours marks the ultimate peak of cellular rejuvenation and metabolic reset. Your stem cells are now stimulated to regenerate a brand new, highly robust immune system from scratch. You have achieved maximum autophagy, extensive fat oxidation, and a complete reset of insulin sensitivity. However, the most critical phase of a 36-hour fast is actually how you choose to end it. Feasting immediately on high-carbohydrate, heavy foods can cause a dangerous insulin spike, inducing metabolic shock. To safely refeed, break your fast with a small, easily digestible meal containing protein and healthy fats. Think bone broth, eggs, or avocado, foods that gently reintroduce nutrients without overwhelming your digestive system. Wait at least 1 hour before consuming a larger, balanced meal to allow your metabolism to adapt. Performing this 36-hour molecular reset once a quarter can profoundly shift your biological age and vitality. Always consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on prolonged fasts to ensure it aligns with your biology. Subscribe for more evidence-based longevity protocols, and leave a comment below with your fasting experiences.